have a new project. This is our new project. We have two switches and we're using the IC 4077. That is a XNOR gate. So here we have resistors, LED, power LED, the red, green, and yellow for the input LED. Okay, and then this one is white LED for the output LED. Switches. Let us test this circuit using, what's this? Power bank, 5 volts, and a DIY cable for the circuit. Then connect it to the circuit. So when we connect the supply, let us connect. So we have the power LED turns on, or we have the light for the power LED, and then the output, kill the light. The power LED has light, turns on, and then the output LED white turns on. That is the initial state of the circuit. So when I press this button, you can see that yellow LED turns on, because when we are pressing the button in which input LED turns on. So that is the input LED. Whenever I press the button, it will turn on the yellow. This one for the green. And then for our circuit, the first thing is initial state. When I did not press the switch, output is on. When I press the yellow, output off. And the yellow LED turns on because we are inputting something, or we press the button. That's why it turns on the LED. And the output is off. When I release it, of course there's no input, there's no light for the yellow, and the output is on. When I press, it's off. When I did not press, it's on. Same thing with this second switch. If I press it, turns on the green LED, because we are monitoring the input, because this is an input LED. It turns on. Every time we press the button, it will turn on this LED green, this for the switch. And the output is, we don't have the output. When I release it, there's no output. Green LED turns off, and there is no an output. How about if we are going to press both the switch? Still, there is the LED turns on. There is an output LED, and we have an input LED. Okay? And this red LED is the power LED. Whenever we connect the supply, the power, we have this LED, also the output. So this is an XNOR gate. This is a type of switching circuit used for designing an electronics circuit. now come to our circuit, this is the circuit. Okay, we have this truth table and then the pin out. So we are what is this XNOR gate? Why is it the drawing is like this? It is representation of a certain circuit. So inside this symbol of the XNOR gate, there's a transistor, resistor, and many components inside. What we are going to see here is to know what is it all about. Is we have two switches at the input, and then the output is we have the single output. So this is a logic gate, and since we are dealing with digital circuit, we are using 0, 1, 0 for the ground and 1 for the high, or 5 volts, 0, ground. So when we say 0, that's ground, 1, high, 5 volts. That is in digital electronics or designing a certain circuit issues, because we are talking about the binary digit, or the 0 and 1 binary circuit. So if we have this IC, we have this 4077 IC. Inside this we have XNOR gate, which has 4 XNOR gate inside the IC. So we're trying to prove that when we press the switch 1, and then 0, we're not pressing the switch, the output is 0 or off. So whenever we press switch 1 or switch 1 is A, switch 2 B, the output is off. Whenever we press any of the two switches, but if we press both the switch, there's still an output, or this white LED turns on. And if we did not press the switch, still there is a LED turns on, this output LED. And this one is the power LED. So we are trying to see this XNOR gate as just a circuit which has 2 input, and with the use of combining the function or the verification to verify the logic, or when we have 2 inputs, every time we press the switch, there is an output or there is no output. So that is only a logic gates. Just like this one, J, pin 1, pin 2, J is A is this, pin 1. This X0, then there is a positive inside the 0. And then that is an XOR function or operation, then B. Since this is, we have this bubble, there's a complement. So for example, we have this inverter, a buffer. This is a logic symbol for buffer. If this is A, the output is A. When we press the switch here, still the same output, 1, 1, 0, 0. If there's a bubble here, it means we're complementing the A. So here, A, XNOR, B, complement. There's a complement at the top. So here we are using the gate. since this is used as for designing a circuit, this symbol. Usually you can see this in many electronics engineering book using this symbol. This is exclusive NOR gate. So when we did not press the switch, there is a power LED. Okay, when we press the switch here, current flows here, and then this input LED yellow turns on because there's a current that flows into the switch, then to the yellow LED, current limiting LED, and then to pin number 1 of the IC. What makes and then we did not press the switch B, this is 0. What will happen is there is no output, or it will turn off this white LED off. And then if we press switch 2, it will turn off this white LED. If we both press the switch, still the output is, there is an output on. White LED still turns on. So that is the logic of this XNOR gate. It is composed of 2 switches and then with 1 output. With the use of the truth table, we can verify what is the result of pressing the switch of the 2 switches by using this truth table. So this symbol is as representation of search certain circuits, components inside. It could be a combination of lots of resistor inside this symbol, just to simplify the circuit. So that is the XNOR gate, exclusive NOR gate. There's so many types of gates, but this one we are only dealing with the XNOR gate using the truth table. 2 input, 1 output, and can be only verified using this truth table. This is now our module. So I already constructed the module. This is the 4077 IC. And we are only just using one XNOR gate AB. So the other input, they are all grounded to avoid floating input. So it's already constructed and we're going to test it using the power bank, then some cable for the power, for the output, for the output LED connected to the module. That is the output, white LED, then the power connected to the module. Power LED now turns on, also the output LED. When we press the switch, turns off the LED, white. The other switch turns off the LED. While pressing both the switch, it will not turn off, just turning on the output. Okay. one switch, other switch, both the switch. So this is XNOR gate.